We'll get that first rotate and balance today. It's been about 5,500 miles, so I'm a little overdue on it, but it's gonna be all right. I've been meaning to get in and get this done for a minute, and now finally have a chance to get in. Alaska is super weird with anything with tires in the spring and in the fall, because there's such a huge rush for studded tires to get put on in the fall, taken off in the spring. So stuff gets real backed up. So this is not the greatest time to do it, but it's early enough. Let's see if we can get in line without a crazy wait. There's a lot of cars in this lot. I think I'm coming back another day. Well, that's frustrating. I showed up about an hour after they opened, and they were booked up for not the whole day. They said they could get my rotate and balance done by 5 p.m. So I'm not waiting. I'm not waiting 8 hours for rotate and balance. All right, we're going in for round 2. Yeah, so it's still changeover season apparently. Let me get a glimpse of this line for y'all. So the state of Alaska has a cutoff date every year. You got to have your studded tires removed from your vehicle by a certain date in the spring. Apparently that date was yesterday. He said with that 25 people in line-ish, there was gonna be a 3 to 5 hour wait. I guess everybody's freaking out and trying to get their studded tires off before they get seen by the cops and ticketed. But at the end of the day, I would rather come back next week. In the meantime, I'm gonna go film a Tundra review video that's probably going to drop before this one. So keep an eye out for that. Surfer's Coffee, what up? All right, we're heading in for round 3. Got up a little earlier this morning. It's a week later. People are hopefully done getting their tires swapped over. Hopefully there's not a lot of folks trying to get in line this morning. Also want to have them look at the alignment, fine tune the alignment. This truck came with stock tires, 275, 65, 18s. So I put a little lift on the truck. It was an awesome lift. Didn't have to do any cutting, any modifications at all. I will be filming a whole video on that coming up soon. I love the lift that I did. It's a perfect lift that was designed specifically for the Tundra, designed to give you the ability to put 35-inch tires on your truck without cutting anything. Love the tires, love the lift. Gas mileage did take a hit. I'll do a video about the gas mileage too. But anyways, when I did that, I went with a 295, 70, 18. Obviously, I didn't do a crazy lift on mine. 1.75 inches in the rear, 1 inch in the front, on top of the factory lift. So the TRD Pro already came with a little bit of the lift. Oh, look at this. Number 2 in line. So I ended up going to a different shop, working on getting the alignment checked and rotate and balance done. I'm due for another rotate and balance anyways, but that was a rough 5,000 miles. The balancing on the tires from the last shop was way off. So, not naming no names, but I won't be going back there again. We'll see. Let's hit the road and see what's shaking. So far, hit 55, and it's feeling good. They did a great job. That was Alaska Automotive. Shout out to them for doing the truck up properly, and love it. So far, so good. Well, there you have it, folks. The shake in my steering wheel has been fixed 100%. Took it out to Alaska Automotive up here in Palmer, Alaska. They let me know that the balancing was way off on the 2 front tires. Just a little, there was a cluster of weights in one spot. So my front tires were wobbling quite a bit. Specifically, I wanted to make sure that it wasn't a misalignment, which it wasn't. This is the next day. Yesterday, when I took it home, I was able to hit 50 and 60 on the road, and then just now I hit 70, and that absolutely zero shake. I mean, not a lick. It's smooth, absolutely smooth as butter. And you guys can reach out to me if you have any questions about anything on your Tundra. Subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for those other videos that are going to be coming out on reviewing how my Baja Boss, my hard desert tires, are performing in the Alaska snow and ice, because I ran these tires all through last winter, how my MPGs are performing. I'll be posting videos on the lift. I'll be posting videos on to build out the ultimate overland Tundra. We're talking roof rack, grill guard. I've got a soft topper that I usually run on the back of this. I may put a frame over the soft topper, and spare tire, spare gas tanks. Testing out the issue that some people have with the TRD Pro Tundra and certain models. I believe the Limited 1974 and one other have the larger gas tank, the 38-gallon gas tank. And why our gas gauge reads empty when we've gone through about 28 to 30 gallons of gas, and how much range actually is left over. For your knowledge as you're driving down the road, so you're not constantly worried when your gas light comes on early. Anyways, a lot of things going to be put out about the Tundra. Great content coming up. Stay tuned. Subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. I'll keep putting out stuff that hopefully you guys find useful and entertaining. See you next time.